Welcome to Get Updated Now, and today we have Sony A7 III here. Now this camera is mirrorless and it has already got awards in 2018, which was TIPA World Awards. Now this camera, if you see, it has actually everything you wish to have in a perfect professional camera, and you can see all the things that it has, all the functions that it has, which are so many, and all these things together you will never find in one, like in any other mirrorless camera. So this one is the best, and we bought this because one of a very famous wildlife photographer suggested this to us, that this is the camera of the new generation of cameras. So let's open this now. Now here, okay, so you look at the packing, like it looks so nice. The box is also eco-friendly, and here is the user manual, which will take a long time for us to read, so we will quickly show you. Now these are the lenses and accessories, objects, like whatever, because this is only the camera, but for sure you need to buy a lens which will be separate. So this one is in Arabic because we bought it here in Oman. And again, this is about changing the lens, and this is like again a user manual which will show you all the important functions, from charging, from using and cleaning and everything. All right, so let's open the box now. Okay, so here we have two cables. So you know, somewhere you will need this kind of cable, somewhere you need this kind of plug, so you have everything. And then here we have another cable, USB port, and here is the charger. So you can have a close look at the charger. All right, now let's take the main beauty out, which we were waiting for. So here it is. This thing is gonna take long time in fixing. The strap is impressive, the quality is nice, it is sturdy, strong, so you can carry it easily, but the fixing time you can take just forever. Now here it is. Look at this A, which looks like alpha sign, right? And then you have 7.3. Now this is mirrorless. Look at this. So this is how it works to make your work easy. So you can take the shot from whatever angle suits you, and you can have a clear picture on this screen, which is really nice, upgraded, high quality. Everything is here, and of course here. So overall, this is a very high rated camera, and it has 4K steady shot inside. So 4K in a camera, which is really nice. I mean, you don't feel like keeping it down now. You know, once it's in your hands, you just want to use it. E-mount, everything is like so perfect, right? So mirrorless, the new technology. DSLRs will soon be outdated and this is gonna take the place, so highly recommend it. So this was the video which is like unboxing the camera, but in the next video we are going to show you the lens that we are going to use with this. So stay tuned and thank you for watching.